Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to buy an already monetized YouTube channel using Flippa. Flippa is a trusted online marketplace where people buy and sell websites, apps, domains, and also YouTube channels. If you want to skip the long process of growing a channel from scratch, buying a monetized channel can be a smart move. You can use the link in the description to sign up on Flippa and follow along with this tutorial. Once you're on Flippa, use the search bar at the top and type in YouTube channel. You can also apply filters to narrow down your search. For example, you can filter for channels that are already monetized, have a certain number of subscribers, or are in a specific niche. This makes it easier to find channels that match your goals and budget. When the results appear, take your time to browse through the listings. Each listing includes important details like how much the channel earns per month, how many subscribers it has, the type of content it posts, and the age of the channel. Click on any listing that looks interesting. That will open a detailed view with more information. In the listing page, read everything carefully. Pay close attention to the monetization status, traffic sources, and screenshots from YouTube Studio or Google AdSense. You want to make sure the channel is truly monetized and that it does not have any copyright or policy violations. If anything is unclear, reach out to the seller by clicking on the Ask a Question or Contact Seller button. This lets you send a direct message to the seller. Ask for up-to-date screenshots and proof of monetization. You can also ask for a screen recording or live video call where the seller shows the channel analytics in real time. This helps you confirm that the numbers are real and that the channel is in good standing. If everything checks out and you are ready to move forward, you can either buy the channel at the listed price or make an offer. After you both agree on a price, Flippa uses an escrow service. This means your payment is held by a third party until the ownership of the channel is successfully transferred. This adds a layer of security for both buyer and seller. You can use the link in the description to sign up on Flippa and start searching for your channel today.